In this video, we'll show you how to customize notification settings on your Apple iPhone to make sure your Garmin device displays smart notifications. If you've connected your Garmin device to your iPhone but aren't getting notifications on your watch, you may need to tweak your phone's notification settings.
Make sure your iPhone is running iOS version 18.2 or higher.
Open the Settings app on your Apple iPhone. Navigate to and tap on Notifications. Ensure that Show Previews at the top is set to Always. From the list of apps on your phone, select the app for which you want to receive notifications. In this video, we'll use the Messages app as an example, but these steps apply to all apps, including phone calls, emails, or social media. Toggle Allow Notifications to the on position. Under Alerts, make sure that Notification Center is checked. In the Options section, set Show Previews to either Always or When Unlocked. That's all. Adjusting these settings ensures that smart notifications from the chosen app will appear on your Garmin devices. Repeat these steps for other apps you want notifications from on your Garmin device. Thanks for watching. For more help, visit support.garmin.com.